Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the same meeting code on Google Meet. So let's say that you want to rejoin or re-enter a meeting with the same code and you don't know how to do that. I'm going to show you how in this video. So just open the Google Meet app first, and then here at the Google Meet homepage, you'll find the history of the meetings that you used before the same meeting code. So if you want to use that, you can just click on the rejoin option. You'll find the rejoin option beside the meeting code. Just click on that, and the meeting code is the same as before you use. Okay, so that's so easy. That is how you can use the same meeting code in Meet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.